know, I didn't even realize this darn thing was a video camera too until I bought one, and Thomas said, "Well, why did you buy one? Your camera
videoed all of Haley's Christmas
You know,
things,
I don't know.
That's funny.
Didn't know. I'm so dumb. Dang, they look like they're going after it. Uh-oh, Bubba's down, Bubba's down. Brian. Does it hurt in the face? Look, Becky. Look, this is a video.
Oh, weird. You can do video?
Yes, I just realized, I didn't, Chelsea said, "Oh, you didn't know that? I used your camera to video Haley's program."